It's actually Paris's birthday celebration today. So, yung birthday niya was on Monday. Tapos today, Saturday. Ngayon namin gagawin yung celebration for her birthday with her friends, classmates. So, kakarating lang namin dito sa park, guys. Ayan, ang ating view. So, may playground dyan. So, it's perfect for like birthday parties. It's very windy. I hope you can hear me, guys. But that's Ate Paris. Ate! Show me your outfit first. Nagdala mag-plastic. Wow, beautiful dress. Lini's got beautiful dress too. Lini girl, show mama your dress. Lini, show me your butterflies. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. So yung ginagawa ni Daddy Mike ngayon ay naglalagay ng mga ice dyan sa ating ski yung tawag na dito, which is cooler sa atin. And yung drinks, juice, and all that. We have a picnic rug. Is that yours? What did the dentist say? No coke. No coke. Good girl. Ito yung ating...
No candies.
No candies. That's right. Very smart. Ito yung ating piñata for later on. Ito yung pinakalas na gagawin natin. Yan ang ating mga gamit. So you've got like the paper plates, cups, wooden fork and spoons. Meron tayong ganito din, hat. Ito siya, dito natin nilalagay yung mga tawag dito, mga popcorn and mga chocolate, mga candies, mga ganyan, chips. Here as well, ito, sabi ko, mga chips na ganyan. So, ano na lang, ganyan na lang, oh, diba? And then, nag-order kami nito ni Daddy Mike. So, mini sandwiches. So, mix to siya, guys. Oh my goodness. The bottom one, na. Daddy, got pushed down. So, that's it. And then, ito yung palaro natin mamaya. Ito yung ating pasta parcel. Tapos, ito yung price ni Daddy Mike. Diyan. We've got some, mga, kung anik-anik dito, guys. So, bumili kami nito. Gagamitin namin mamaya. So, microphone. Yes, ate? What happened?
The t-shirt hurts on the side.
Does it hurt? Take it off for now. Ayan, bago kasi ang shoes. Oh. Pati yung dress actually. Diba? Sobrang cute. Then, ano pa bang nandito? Basta mga kung anik-anik. And then, more here. Tapos ngayon, uwi ako ng bahay pa, guys. Malapit na naman yung park sa bahay. Mga 6 minutes, sorry? Yeah, because I have to pick up we also have like another platter and also the cake. So iniwan namin yun yung last para hindi mag-melt or whatnot. Siya. Hindi na sana ako mag-vlog today, guys, kasi ang aking camera ay sira. So ilang araw na akong hindi nakapag-vlog kasi ayaw kong gumamit ng phone. Kasi alam niyo yung quality ng phone versus yung proper na camera, ibang-iba talaga. But then, I can't miss this one. Like, kailangan kong i-document yung araw ng 6th birthday celebration ni Ate Paris. Kasi, alam niyo like that's something na kailangan talagang i-treasure. So, gusto ko pag ganito, in years to come, may makikita kami kung paano namin celebrate yung 6th birthday party ni Ate Paris. So, I'm not sure, guys. It's very windy. I'm not sure kung maririnig niyo yung boses ko ng mabuti. But, here I am, I'm vlogging kasi it's very important. So, kailangan i-vlog talaga. So, before ako uwi ng bahay, alam niyo yung friend ni Ate Paris na si Irene. Both parents, they are working today. What's ate? So, hindi sila makakapunta. Well, actually, nagsuggest kami ni Daddy Mike na pick upin namin yung mga kids kasama yung lola nila para makapunta dito. Are you excited, ate? Yeah, we've got friends coming soon kasi 3 o'clock yung sabi namin, guys. We've got my friend Audrey. She's going to do the balloons for the kids. So, it's going to be fun. Super grateful na hindi umuulan, guys. It's a bit windy but hindi siya umuulan, which is very, very good kasi kahapon umulan siya. Hoy, you look after Lini, ha? Because I'm gonna go get the cake and Irene, okay? Love you. Prinsesa ang ating ate, oh. Wow.
A few moments later.
Came back, guys, with my cake and the plata, and I've got the kids with me now with the grandma. Let's go. Hi, yeah, you got Audrey. You got the kids.
That
Oh,
was
look.
really cute when Joby was holding the flower bouquet. And then Joby, Paris.
Paris?
Yeah. And the ceiling got rose as well. Oh, this one.
Yeah. Oh, cool. See, have a look what Audrey made. Happy 6th birthday, Paris. And there's the big bunny.
Alrighty.
Okay, keep passing the parcel, kids. Lini!
We got it.
Irene's got it.
That's alright. There's one for everybody.
Irene, open it.
Maybe give her a hand to the hand.
Okay. Auntie will help. Auntie will help.
I can help. Got it!
Oh, yeah.
Irene's gonna go.
Okay, next one. Next one.
You can always swap it.
Okay, next one.
Oh, Paris.
The birthday girl's got it. I know, it's adorable. Is it real? It's too cute. Can't you?
Yeah, it's a popping balloon.
Oh, is it?
When you want to get rid of it.
On the count of 3.
But it will take that.
You don't have to.
You have to give me your feet.
Lini, say hi. Remember?
Ready?
Another tita.
Okay. One more.
One more. Whoa! Okay, next one.
Next up. This way you go.
Back.
Ready? Whoa!
Paris, away, honey. Paris.
That's it.
Hi, Ate. Tita.
Bang!
That's Violet, by the way, Daddy. Oh!
One more big one.
Whoa! Another one. I know. Whoa! That's a good one. Whoa! Whoa, Gina! Oh, all right. Irene's. Oh no, Irene. How can she do? Don't hurt yourself, Irene. Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, we can still hit it a bit more.
Maybe just wait.
Oh, I'm getting a 3.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy. Thank you for calling me.
Oh my God, guys. Audrey is based in Brisbane. So, kung sino mang mga taga Brisbane dyan, Audrey's got her beautiful business here. I'm gonna put her details in the screen. Yeah! You know what, I broke my camera, so I'm using my phone. I'm not happy. I broke mine. Well, guys, come on! Lini's got a slide. Lini, ready? Steady. Lini's turn. Whoop. 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 What are you gonna do? Cake. Do the cake. Okay, good job. Yes, we're gonna do the cake.
We'll do it now?
Yeah, we'll do it now. For everyone is here.
Come up.
Alright. One cake namin. Yeah. Yeah, I would love to see it. Yes, yeah. Yeah, but I don't want.
We're gonna sing happy.
Yeah, that's what I said about. And now the wind is blowing it.
Wait, not yet.
One, two, ready, go! Happy birthday to you. Oh no, Daddy. Birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Daddy, just light it again.
Make a wish, Mary.
Make a wish. Oh no. Yeah, whatever. This is fine now. That's alright. Just pretend to blow, Paris.
There we go, Paris. Quickly.
Make a wish.
Big one.
Big one.
Thanks.
Careful. Yeah, Paris.
Okay, ready, steady.
Not far. Not too hard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Wow, I think it's a ball. Oh, good job. Hi, baby.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're gonna start opening presents, but for now I'm just gonna do 2 because we have to clean. And then after doing that, we are going to open all the rest. So here's some of the silly string that my dad put on me, and these are the 2 I'm opening. I'm gonna open this star one. It's really big, and this one from Georgina. And let's open. I wanna open this one first. I wonder what I got. The business. Oh my god. Oh my god, mommy, this is so cute. Oh my god, mommy, this is so cute. Mommy, this is so cute. This is from Violet. Oh my god, this cute little Barbie doll. Let me move this way so you can see. So right here, he has a little puppy, and I love it. Put that one over there. Mama, where did I put this? Oh, and I got invitation. I mean, a card, not invitation. Look. over there, little guy. Let's open it.
Yeah, please. Please, how did it boy?
Mommy, let's open the garage. I'm so excited. Happy. Yay, I like this little guy.
You left me, Daddy.
I love you so much. Kiss, kiss, hug, kiss.
All right, back.
Violet. I think that's Violet.
Right,
And we're up to this big one. So first, I want to do this one.
there you go, my champion, Louis.
Find the right spot. I think I know what this is. Lego!
Drink, please.
Everybody's giving me Lego. I got 3 Legos now.
Whoa.
So cute. And the back. So cute.
What's that from?
What? Oh, I think that's from Georgina. Cause
Oh, yeah.
this is Georgina's.
Keep the cards.
Oh, I know this little lady. Mickey Mouse. It's a Mickey Mouse card. Mickey Mouse. What? Why does it say Sachi?
Oh, maybe this is from Sachi.
Okay. From Sachi. Okay. I made a back 4. Does it say 4?
I made a back.
For
Yeah, it's meant to be for you.
For you, Paris, and Sachi. Happy birthday, Paris. I hope you have a good birthday. Hope you have fun love. Hi guys, I just unboxed one of my presents. Well, also Violet's present, and I just wrapped that wrapping. Let's see which one we get. Another one. This is so cute, Mommy. He's so cute. It comes with a collector's sky. What kind is that? This is so cute.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paris. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Yeah.